I said this character has an incredible amount of different pronunciations and different meanings. I say incredible in comparison to other Chinese characters. It's not really that much, but when you compare it to other characters, it's really a lot. So there are at least three big semantic groups to which this character belongs to. So the first semantic group would be something of a conjunction type of a semantic group that can be translated as and. The second semantic group would probably have to do something with peace and harmony. Peace and harmony. And the third semantic group that this character belongs to, you could probably describe it as mild or temperate or something like that. And the different pronunciations that the character has, let me just really list them. So, he in the second tone, han in the fourth tone, huo in the fourth tone, hu in the second tone, huo in the neutral tone, and did I forget anything? Oh, probably I have, but I just wrote the ones that I at least know that this character, the pronunciations that this character does have. So it is a typical phonosemantic, well, typical. It is a phonosemantic compound, but it's hard to understand why it is a phonosemantic compound. The phonetic part is easy. This is the phonetic part of the character, which is pronounced he in the second tone, and it is grain. Grain. And it clearly points to the first pronunciation that I listed. And whatever is left is the semantic part of the character. So it's this part over here, and it's pronounced ko. And it is a mouth. It's not really a picture of a mouth. It is just something that was chosen to represent the mouth, although it does have the shape of a mouth in this case. The original, and the reason for why this element is in this character is that the original meaning of the character was to answer or to talk to each other. And all of these other meanings were added to this character either by phonetic loan or by extension. Now, the meaning and is definitely a phonetic loan because, or at least I think so, because all of these very abstract grammatical particles and conjunctions and so on are 99% phonetic loans. Peace is a very abstract term, so I would guess that this is a phonetical loan as well. Mild might be a meaning extension to the meaning to answer, to talk to each other, and so on. So, as far as the pronunciations go, when the character is pronounced he, it means and, or peace, or tranquility, and so on. When it is pronounced han, it is at least in Taiwan, I'm not sure if this is the same in mainland China, han is the same thing as and, pronounced he, only in a polite, educated way. If it's pronounced huo, it means to mix something, like to mix water with something. Hu, this is an interesting one. Hu, I actually did not know that hu is written with this character. If you play mahjongg, which is, not really sure how you pronounce this in English, probably mahjongg or something like that. It's that table game for people with these little tiles. If you win, if you have the winning hand, you say 我胡了, which is that's what you say, and apparently you use this character to write it. And then ho in the neutral tone, if you say 暖和, it means mild, like when for instance the weather outside is not hot, not really cold, just right, moderate, right, somewhere there in the middle. All right, so let me show you how to write this character. Pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just remember one thing. This, let me just clear that up. This stroke is written from top right down to bottom left, and this one is just a horizontal stroke, but starts left and finishes right. All right, so that's it for this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.